Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Dover local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is defined as a journey of at least 50 miles. 3 Movers is a long distance moving company that provides quick and damage free service. Our movers take great care to ensure the safety of our customers' belongings. We'll sort and load your belongings onto our moving vehicles and drive them to your new home in good condition. Every time we relocate, we inspect and service our trucks and vans. All of our long-distance drivers are well-versed in the best routes to take. Their licenses also allow them to travel large distances. We ensure that your belongings are adequately insured while they are in our care. The cost of our long-distance moving services is quite reasonable. Our clients know that our prices are fair because we're transparent when giving them price quotes. Our local moving company introduces you to a new world of cheap luxury if you choose to work with us. Our local moves are very time and cost-saving. Ask the locals, and they'll be sure to tell you about our excellent service. You can rely on us for any of your urgent local moves. Our local relocations show precision and efficiency. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dover moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.